Okay, these are some of my son's pieces of equipment. Now this one is called an exercise wheel or an ab wheel or ab roller or something like that. So yeah, he bought this. I've used it only occasionally, but I found it to be quite useful because it's another means of exercising the back muscles and the ab muscles. It also does work your arms and your thighs because you're actually on the floor. Sorry, I can't demonstrate it because I can't get my laptop at the right height or to make it work properly. I need proper filming equipment, but basically you're on your knees on the floor and you're pushing it out in front of you and then pulling it back. And although it is you're keeping your back flat, it's mainly for your back. It's also you're holding your core in, so you're obviously going to have complete core strength there and build core strength. But obviously it does work the arms as well, all round, and you do feel it in your thighs, inner and outer and at the back. So this is quite a good one. I thought, yeah, I have used it quite a bit, and it really does work your muscles in a completely different way to the other exercises that I might do that are for core strength. So it's quite a good one actually. I was quite impressed with that one. This comes, I think, under about £10, something like that. I'll put all the prices on the write-up that I do. These push-up stands, they look like irons. But again, you're on the floor. Now, I've never been really good at doing the boy push-ups, what we call the boy push-ups. I have to drop to my knees. I can do about 10 and then that's about it. With these, I've built it up to 15 and hopefully I shall get back up to 20 again. The problem I have with ordinary push-ups, I've never been able to do them properly. No idea why, we're all built differently. So I tend to drop to my knees and then lift my feet off the ground, so my feet are raised. But with these, you can go much deeper. So obviously you're working everything much harder. And because I think why I've had more success with these than doing just with my hands flat on the floor, it's putting pressure on your wrists in a completely different way. So for these, I've found it's much better for my wrists because I do have an old sports injury. I had a really, really bad horse riding accident and sprained my wrist, where I couldn't ride for 6 months. It was that bad, and it's caused problems over the years. And I have to be a little bit careful. And I think that's the reason why these are much better for me, and I can go much deeper. So these are a really good investment. Again, I think these are about £15. But then they're obviously you can use them on wood floors because there is rubber resistance there. I've got carpet, so it doesn't matter, but they don't slip. So they are really good. I like those. The last thing I've got here is the physio resistance ring. You will see this a lot in Pilates. I use it sometimes. You can use it either with your arms, pushing in like that, obviously for your pecs, great for pecs. I don't need to build any more muscle there. I've already got far too much. But that's really good, the resistance ring. But I tend to use it between my knees and push. It's great for thighs, so pushing in your thighs, and that's where you will see it quite a lot in Pilates. There is another way of using it that I've seen, of standing it on the floor and then putting your leg over it and pushing it down. That's an interesting move. I tried that one. My leg wobbles a bit. I think I shall have to try and get my balance a bit with that one, but that was good. But again, I think this one comes around about £10, something like that. You can see the hand grips. Great. So yeah, that's that little lot, and I will do another quick video about some sport that I do and what's also quite good for you. So that's those. Any questions on any of these things, and on the previous video about the resistance bands, just ask away.